punta naman tayo sa second bigger box. Actually, nung kinontak ako ng Sennheiser, tuwan-tuwa ako. Kasi although as a motovlogging word na ako, marami pa rin ang nagtatanong sa akin sa mga technical terms or sa mga gadgets or sa mga accessories na pwede makatulong sa ating vlogging. Kaya naman sabi ko, wow, very, very nice. Makaka-experience na naman ako mag-unbox at makakatulong talaga ito sa aking mga videos. So, this bigger box, guys, is the MKE 200 mobile kit. Mobile kit, guys, because there's another version na yung mismong mic lang. What we have here is everything that you need. Every setup that you need, on the go ka na para gamitin yung mic sa inyong phone. So, on the box, guys, we have, of course, the brand and the model name of this product. And we have here the picture. So, makikita nyo na or magkaka-idea na kayo agad kung anong makikita natin sa loob. Papa-experience ko lang, guys, kung paano ko mag-unbox before. So, I usually show the front, the sides, ayan. And makikita nyo dito, may 2 years warranty. Very nice. Actually, kasama yun dapat sa binabayaran nyo. Anyway, so on this side, guys, we also have this barcode which you can use para ma-check kung original yung Sennheiser na nabili nyo. On this side, we also have the contents or the things you will find inside. And some technical specifications here or data. And then at the bottom, of course, yung mga serial numbers, product code, and everything. For the MKE series ng Sennheiser, there are different models pa ng MKE. Although what we have is the 200, they also have 400 and 600. So, this one is still sealed on this side. Ayan. And dito papasok ang ating mahiwagang, hindi pala mic, cutter. Anyway, opening. Kitang-kita nyo na, ang daming laman. Woo! So, on the box, guys, of course, we have again a Sennheiser pouch. Para naman ilagay nyo lang lahat, on the go na kayo. And of course, we also have some manuals. Yan. We also have this. So, ano pinagkaiba nung foam dito? This one is way better, guys, para sa reduction ng noise. Ayan, wait. Ang cute, no? This one is actually called Furry Windshield. And may brand logo din siya. Nice. Anyway, going back, what else do we have? Dami, no? Sarap. Here at the bottom, we have a tripod. And this one, guys, is a Manfrotto brand. Manfrotto actually is a very known brand pagdating sa mga tripod. This one is very portable naman. Yung tipong kahit maliit ang bag mo, kasya pa rin, no? We also have 2 types of cables here. Bakit nga ba dalawa? Dahil actually, hindi lang to pang smartphones, guys, or pang cellphones. This kind of mic, this MKE 200, can be used on DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, field recorders, or things alike. Usually, yung mga gagamitan yung mga media, diba? Pero meron daw makakilala mga vloggers na medyo technical pagdating sa kanilang mga videos na ang gamit nila ay talagang mga camera, hindi cellphone. So, ang tawag dito ay 3.5mm TRS to TRS. Again, ang gamit dito ay yung isang side is for the mic itself, na makikita natin later on, and the other end for your cameras like mirrorless, DSLRs, field recorders, and other things na ito ang compatible. Actually, way before, ang gamit ko ay Sony mirrorless. Nag-DSLR din ako na Nikon. Anyway, the second cable naman ay 3.5mm TRS to TRRS. So, ito yung ginagamit natin para sa ating mga iPhone, sa ating mga Android. Ngayon, kung medyo bago na yung gadget or cellphone, at kung wala na siyang 3.5mm port, gagamit tayo nitong mga included na adapters. So, ayan, stretchable naman siya. Very nice. And I like the quality actually. the color na rin. Kasi pag sobrang light yung color, madaling dumumi. But this one, hindi siya black. So, at least makikita mo kung may problema, like kung naipit ba siya or something. Going back to the box, guys, we have here the metal clamp with a cold shoe mount para sa inyong tripod at para maikabit nyo yung iPhone. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano ba ito gamitin or setup. Very useful. And as you can see, very portable pa rin siya. Diba? Metal talaga siya, guys. So, very nice yung quality. Hindi siya plastic na madaling masira, madaling maputol. And, ayan, oh. With all the arrows you need, of course, the brand. And dito may rubber part para hindi naman magasgas yung inyong mga phones. Kung ilalagay nyo, ayan. Para protected pa rin yung mga edges or yung part ng phones nyo. So, the last thing you will see inside this box is, of course, the most important, yung inyong MKE 200 mic. Ang liit lang niya, guys. And it's very lightweight. And we have here the, yan, pakita ko lang, model number. MKE 200 Sennheiser. Anyway, so itabi natin mga hindi natin kailangan para ma-clear out yung ating table. So, the first thing that we need is this Manfrotto tripod. And I just want to mention na this one is designed in Italy. So, diba, in fairness. So, very easy lang naman to. Just like any other tripod. Ayan, kuklose nyo lang pag di nyo gagamitin. If you want to use it, just open it up. Very stable. Ang sturdy nung kanyang pagkakatayo. And as you can see, this one, guys, para siyang button. Of course, the logo ng Manfrotto. Kasi, itong part sa taas, para ma-adjust nyo yung kanyang angle, is you have to click this, and now you can move this. So, at least, pwede nyo i-adjust yung angle, diba? Yung pagkaka-set up. Anyway, so we have here the tripod, and of course, the mount. Ang maganda dito sa mount na to, guys, is, ayan, pwede nyong ibahin yung angle again, and there's a lock option, nakalagay naman, no? Kung anong way yung pag-lock at pag-unlock niya. So, at least, hindi siya mag-wiggle habang gamit nyo siya. Then, you just have to screw it on. Dahil compatible naman yung kanyang tripod dito sa mismong mount. Ayan. Masikip na. Tapos, ilalagay naman natin yung, wait, i-adjust ko lang yung angle. Ayan. Galing. I-adjust naman natin or ilalagay naman natin itong ating phone. Ganyan. Parang, habang hawak nyo, diba, yan. Lalagay naman natin yung ating mic. And as you can see at the bottom, ayan, compatible siya dito. You just have to slide it. Ganun kadali. And then, dito, sisikipan nyo naman siya. See? Hindi na siya gumagalaw. Just have to adjust this para madali siyang tanggalin. And pag gusto na siya i-lock, nakalock na siya. Hindi na siya natatanggal. What's next? Of course, yung ating cable para we can have better audio quality. Very easy. This part, yan, itong may silver part, put it here. And then, yan, nalalak siya. Very nice. Para sure na kahit anong galaw mo, di matanggal yung mic nyo. Ayan. See? Hindi na siya tatanggal. So, on the other side naman, of course, dahil naka 3.5 pa tong dulo nitong cable na to, we will use the iPhone adapter. Yan. And then, we will connect it on our phone. Easy peasy, guys! Very nice yung aking setup. And hindi siya ganun kabigat. Very, very portable to imagine. Habang naglalakad kayo, kung wala kayong video, diba? Hawak nyo lang siya, buong-buo pa rin siya, walang malalaglag kasi naka-screw halos lahat, naka-lock halos lahat. Ayan, may mga locking system itong setup na to. This one is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Alam nyo naman, medyo malaki yung size niya. Kayang-kaya pa rin nung tripod. Kung nasa labas naman kayo guys, better if you can put this fur para mabawasan yung wind noise. Ayan. Ang cute, no? So, natatakpan na yung ating mic. Sure na meron na tayong protection from wind noise. Ayan, ang cute niya. Cute niyang tingnan. So, ayan guys, ang ating setup for the MKE 200. Tapos na tayong mag-unbox ng ating mga bagong gadgets for our vlogging. Again, these are Sennheiser mics. This one is the XS Love Mobile. Very simple setup. Or, if you want a better setup para sa mas maraming ways to use it, go get this Sennheiser MKE 200 Mobile Kit. Again, thank you Sennheiser Philippines, and of course kay Sir Daniel for these two very important things that we unboxed today. I hope you like this unboxing video of mine. I hope na makatulong din sa inyo guys. Sa lahat ng tatanong sa akin kung ano ba magandang vlogging setup, mic setup sa ating mga videos. Sa mga hindi pa naka-follow sa aking Facebook page, TikTok, and Instagram, ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Follow na. Like and follow para makita nyo rin yung mga iba kong videos, pictures, events, raffles, giveaways, everything that you need to know about Miss Techie. And at the same time, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-subscribe na kayo kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe dito sa aking channel. I hope to see you again on my next video, guys. Bye-bye mga ka-techie!